So how's it going, everybody? I'm on the GPX Moto FSE450R. I think I need to adjust the rear brake still. I bled it, but I might adjust it again. But otherwise, it's doing really good. This is its test ride before I activate the listing. I'll probably change oil also. This is like still the braking oil that it came with. So we're going to go ahead and put, 20, 40 miles out, probably 40 miles. And yeah, just see how it does. And, if anything shall fail, hopefully it does it during this and not during a rental, right? Otherwise, it's like a lost cause. Somebody wastes their time. I have to refund the money. And I'm going to zigzag my way all the way down to Colorado Springs from Monument. So this video will probably be pretty boring unless something exciting happens. So this probably will just be kind of like a vlog video on the new bike. What a fucking retard. It's funny, he honks back at me like, come on guy, accelerate. Oh my god, I'm already running into the idiots on the road. Of course it's a Texas plate. Plus this way, if it's just the brake pads and rotors needing beaded in or broke in, this ride will do it. Of course, we got another person that, man, make up your fucking mind which lane you want. I know. Like, wow. Like, what are you doing? Like, you didn't know you needed the left lane? Like, what are you doing? You're gonna come to a standstill in the roadway to get over to the left. You're in a Tesla. How about you use the power of the Tesla, what they're known for, accelerate and get in front of the two cars up? I mean, no, we can't do that. Oh my god. This is why I don't ride in the city. This is why I don't have a pure street bike. These people are just crazy. Okay. Yeah, I think the rear brake is still a little squishy. I'm not sure how this bike's supposed to be. So, yeah, I'll have to look at that again. Maybe it's just an adjustment in the brake pedal. Or, worst case is I bleed it some more, or back bleed it, see if there's any air trapped, Not a big deal, really. Sure? Yeah, I'm in first. It is nice having that gear indicator. Yeah, I'm in first. I always doubt myself when I stop. Sure wore my street helmet. I hate goggles. They like crush my nose. Oh, not shifting. There we go. I have to get the bigger, longer shifter. I think most people are going to need that. It's like way too small. GPX, guys, put a bigger shifter on. Professional panhandler. Getting used to the bike. Shifting is a little notchy. That'll probably loosen up, and also when I change to better oil. See, riders on the road usually give your kind of like the peace symbol. 2 fingers, hey, how's it going? Oh, look at that thing. We're going for the rat rod. The rusty chic look. Come on, come on, come on. There you go. I love these people that they just don't put the pedal to the metal in an intersection. I'm just gonna go really slow. It's like you have more than enough time if they actually went. One thing I hate to do at lights is on a motorcycle is be the first person. I think we even have a stance look going over there. Oh my God. Come on, make the turn. Truck's gonna come over, I'm betting. Okay, maybe not. So you're gonna turn. This guy ain't looking. He ain't looking. But I still gave a wave. Those Moto Madness people would be like raging on him, like, he didn't look, what are you doing? Ah, ah. It's like, he's not going fast, he's a big truck. Unless he swerves over, you know, we're good. And I knew he was there and coming out, you know. Not the best road either, because you get like cyclists galore in the summer on this road. But I guess if you only have to get to there. Oh yeah, they're gonna slow down again. They're paranoid. They're like, oh my God. It's an old guy. Yeah, these houses, man, dealing with tourists, I don't know. I just don't know about that. Nice views of the city, though. I'll give them that, but it would get old dealing with the hikers up this street, the mountain bikers, the cyclists, the Jeep guys, you know, everyone and their brother coming this way. And then this is paved, so I'm sure they get loud vehicles that race up and down here at night. I'm actually surprised the city doesn't have like some speed bumps and stuff to discourage that. I'm just guessing that would happen. I mean, it dead ends, but it's a good, you know, dead ends, right? Although I see deer here a lot, so yeah, you'd want to be careful. Okay, here we are. Captain Jack's, made from my house to Captain Jack's. Get the mileage here as soon as I pull in. It says 43. Well, that holds true right to here. So, it says 43, started with 17, so not too bad from my door to here. Let's go ahead and turn it off for a sec. Ooh. Well, well, hopefully y'all enjoyed that video, and I'm going to go ahead and hit Captain Jack. So y'all stay well, take care, and check out the following video of the GPX FSE450R on lower Captain Jack's. Have a good one. Bye.